Listen, let me tell you something most men never understand until it's too late. A woman doesn't regret losing you because you cry over her, chase her, or try to prove your worth. She regrets losing you when your absence reveals the truth she ignored in your presence. I want you to imagine this for a moment. You step out of her life not as a broken man, not as someone defeated, but as someone who quietly evolves into the version of himself she thought she'd never lose. And slowly, silently, she starts to notice. Not because you tried to show her, but because you stopped trying at all. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact emotional path a woman goes through when she loses a man who suddenly becomes a mystery she can't solve anymore. This isn't about revenge, this isn't about games. This is about reclaiming yourself so deeply that she can't help but feel the loss. So sit with me for the next few minutes, because I'm about to break down the mindset shifts that trigger regret in her. Naturally, powerfully, quietly. Point 1. You stop arguing with reality. The first shift is simple. You stop trying to convince her to stay. Most men fight reality. They argue with her decision. They try to make her see what she's walking away from. But the man who creates regret, he stops resisting. He looks at the situation and says, "All right, if this is where you need to be, then go. I won't block the door." Not out of anger, out of acceptance. And this is where her mind cracks, because women expect emotional turbulence. They expect reactions, questions, explanations. But when you respond with clarity instead of chaos, she suddenly loses her script. You're not the man losing something. You become the man choosing peace. And that shift alone plants the first seed of regret. Point 2. You become quiet, not cold. There's a difference between silence that punishes and silence that heals. The second kind is what pulls her back. You don't block her. You don't send long paragraphs. You don't chase for closure. You simply become quiet, still, focused, not bitter, just unavailable. And this silence does something powerful. It forces her to sit with her own thoughts, her own doubts, her own what if. Because when a man withdraws with dignity, a woman has no conflict to point at, no fight to blame, no drama to justify her decision. All that's left is her own reflection, and that's what creates regret. Point 3. Your routine. Upgrades without announcement. This one is important. A man becomes magnetic again, not by showing off a new life, but by quietly creating one. You start waking up earlier. You start fixing the habits you ignored. You become more centered, more consistent, more disciplined. No posts, no hints, no subliminal stories, just real growth. And you know what this does? It breaks the narrative she created about you, because she remembers the version of you she left. Distracted, emotional, maybe even dependent on her attention. But the version she's now sensing, the energy you're giving off, is someone who is moving forward without rushing back. Growth without words is louder than any message you could send. That's what makes her think, maybe he wasn't the one who needed me. Maybe I was the one who needed him. Point 4. You become impossible to predict. Women regret losing men who stop being predictable. She once knew when you'd text. She knew you'd reply quickly. She knew you'd always be available emotionally. But suddenly, you're no longer living in her rhythm. You're not reacting. You're not waiting. You're not orbiting her anymore. You've stepped into your own timeline. And this creates something powerful: uncertainty. Humans crave certainty. When it disappears, the mind starts exploring possibilities, and regret is one of them. Your unpredictability becomes your power. Not by playing games, but by living a life where she is no longer the center of your emotional weather. Point 5. You detach without closing the door. Here's the twist. Regret doesn't come when you cut her off. It comes when you detach, but stay open. You're not angry, you're not resentful, you're not waiting either. You're simply living, and if she ever chooses to reach out, you haven't made it impossible. This is powerful because you're not chasing, you're not punishing, you're not clinging. You've become someone who can continue without her, but isn't fueled by the need to win. This is maturity. This is strength. This is what makes a woman rethink everything, because losing a man who hates her is easy. Losing a man who stays kind while letting go, that's the regret she never forgets. Point 6. You replace her energy, not her identity. Most men try to replace the woman. You don't. Instead, you replace what you lost in yourself while loving her. You rebuild confidence, you rebuild direction, you rebuild presence, you rebuild peace. And here's the thing. Women can feel when a man fills the void she expected him to keep empty. She can sense the shift even if you never speak again. She starts wondering, why is he glowing now? Why does he look less anxious? Why does he feel lighter? Because she expected you to break, but instead, you rebuilt, and that reconstruction creates a gravity she can't ignore. Point 7. You no longer see her as the prize. The biggest regret trigger, you stop putting her on the pedestal she walked away from, not out of ego, out of understanding. You finally realize she wasn't the finish line, she was part of the journey, and when you stop seeing her as the only woman capable of loving you, something inside her shifts, because the moment you reclaim your worth, you also reclaim the power she once held. You start attracting better energy, better people, better experiences, and she feels it, even from a distance. Women regret losing men who discover their value after the breakup, not before it. Point 8. Emotion becomes your asset, not your enemy. You don't deny your pain. You don't suppress it. You use it. You let the heartbreak sharpen your focus, not shatter your confidence. Men who heal without bitterness are unforgettable because they turn heartbreak into wisdom, loss into clarity, and endings into beginnings. This emotional maturity is rare, and rare things are always regretted. So if you want her to regret losing you, don't chase, don't beg, don't try to prove your worth, just evolve, because when a man grows in silence, the world notices, and so does she, and the day she realizes what she lost, you'll be too far ahead to need her back.